Hi friends, Kelly made it here. Thanks for your requests for my Fireworks Draw and Cut SVG for your Cricut. I used a combination of backstitching and some French knots in between to emulate fireworks, and I used it on this layout for Paige Taylor Evans Cut File Design Team. You can find all the details at my blog today. This is the file you'll receive once you open the zip file, and let's show you how to use it in the Cricut. So you're going to start a new project. I'll just get rid of the last thing I was working on, and we're going to upload the file probably from your desktop. You can see I've already worked with it, but let me show you how you'll go about getting it in your Cricut software. So just click on it in your desktop and upload it. You can do things like save it in one of your files, but for now I've already done that. So I'm going to bring it onto my mat. Now this cut file is made in two groups, one for your pen and one for your blade. And I can get rid of the drawing part for the pen or get rid of the fireworks cut file part just by clicking on the little eye on the side of the right side of your screen. So I would recommend that you draw the lines first. I used a soft yellow silhouette pen, and I'm going to shrink the file just so we can see it all on the screen here. So you've got all these lines, and what you have to do to ensure they draw in the right place is to attach them. Cricut does a thing where it tries to optimize your paper. We don't want that. We're going to change the operation to a pen and click Make. You can save it if you want. I've already done that. The most important thing is to take that star in the drawing and put it in the center of the mat. That'll ensure that the lines are drawn in the correct place. So star in the center of the mat, and click Continue, and it'll take you to where you press. Your light will be flashing and you'll press that to start. So coming back, we're going to detach it and hide those lines by pressing that little eye on the left screen and bring open our stars. And you see what happens if you don't attach the stars? They all jumble up into one corner. So let's collect them together, and this time we're going to use the Unite field. And make sure your operation is set to basic cut, and again take the star and put it in the center of the mat. And that'll ensure it lines up with the lines you drew on the previous go around. And that's about it. So make sure you have basic cut set for the stars or pen set for the lines. What I did is I just punched the lines with a pin manually. I'm a bit new to Cricut use, and I couldn't figure out how to make them holes in the Cricut. So that's about it. Thanks so much, and if you have any questions, leave them in the description box. Bye for now.